Hey guys, I'm gonna try this one more time. I'm on my mobile, still trying to figure out how to screen record with my software and stuff on my computer. Not really good at it yet. I do live streaming music and stuff sometimes, but I've never recorded my screen, so it's gonna take me a little while. Anyways, I just wanted to share a couple of thoughts of the day and a couple of levels I'm watching. We had one good. I had one good winner today on a call out. I think about 34% is what I got out of it. So even if you were a little late getting in, you probably could have snagged 25%. I'll take that any day on an option. Um, we did gap down this morning quite hard. Got all the way to 507.80, 507.83, I think is what that is. So I make a mark there just to kind of show you what I do. I'll make lines during the trading day if we've hit good resistance or good support. Um, anyhow, so we got all the way down to 507.80. We came back up. I got a decent run first thing, and then I was on watching Josh trade live on his live stream this morning on the upper tier live stream. Is very valuable, super valuable if you decide to take a stab at the upper tier, even if you did like 1 month or 2 months of it. I'm telling you, he's going to show you and teach you a lot. Excuse me. So we had morning structure. Is what Josh kind of refers to it as, sort of between 514.86 upwards to around 518.50. So I didn't trade any of that. And then I was out of the office for a while on the road, so I didn't get to trade much else, but it was very choppy, so it was a good day for me to step away. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Once it broke over that 518.50, you got a good run all the way to 523.50. So Josh had the right idea this morning. Um, so I made another mark up there at 523.50. So we got rejected there in the once in the pre-market on that first gap down. It tried to come back up, couldn't get there here, and then again right here during the trading day, 523.50 area, and again almost again after hours. Started coming at 523 and just no volume, couldn't get over it. So tomorrow, one thing I did notice, which doesn't mean a whole lot right now because it was after hours, but we did get back over the 200, which is one indicator that I use, the blue line. We did get over the 200 on the 5 minute chart in after hours. So I'm watching 523.50 tomorrow morning to possibly go long. We'll see how pre-market acts. See what the market gives us, and we'll react instead of being proactive. We're going to react to what it gives us. Um, Made that other mark here, 514.86. It came back down towards the right at the closing bell and came back up. So that did hold support. So I got support 514.86. Another little level of support 518.50 from today's structure that it broke over. It could come into play tomorrow. I'm not sure. It's nothing special, but I marked it during the trading day today. And then 523.50 is what I'm looking for. And I'll show you on the 5 minute indicator. I use the 200 sometimes to sort of change my bias. And usually when we're above it, you see here my blue line. When you're above that 200, it's usually in a bullish trend. Once we broke below it, we've stayed below it all the way down to here. Now, we just got back above it in after hours. So I'm watching that in the morning. It could take off like a rocket first thing. Who knows what it's going to do? You got a pretty heavy gap down, so it could try to come back and do a gap fill up at 531 area, 531. That could be a play tomorrow. And I guess that's about all I got to say. If you watch this video, thanks. Appreciate it. Hope I'm helping a little bit. If I can get us 1, 2 good plays a day, I'm kind of slower. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I also use VWAP a lot. Josh just did a video on VWAP. You guys should go check it out. It's really good. And I think that's all I got for today. Hope the video's helpful to somebody. And as Josh says, peace and blessings, my good friend.